Hello guys, Assalamualaikum konnichiwa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go learn. Today we are going to learn about how to give input in the C programming and add to number by giving inputs. Now open the app code blocks. I have this already opened. Now open a new file, empty file, and as well as give the file a name. I'm giving the file a name input.c and save the file. And now start writing #include stdio dot h. Now write integer main. Now give first bracket. Now give second bracket, and inside that I'm going to write integer. I'm going to write some variable integer variables a comma b comma c, and close it with a semicolon. Here I'm going to add a and b and store the result of a and b in c. Because of that I am using three variables, and for giving the variable a and b input, with giving the a and b and input, we have to write scanf scanf then second bracket, and inside the third bracket we have to give a double quotation. Inside the double quotation we have to use percentage d. We are already know that percentage d is the format specifier, and then we have to use a comma and a and a because the format specifier is depending that we are giving the input of a. And now close it with a semicolon, and just like that we are going to write for b same. Just I'm changing the if the value of the variable a to b here in the next line. And here I'm going to give this mathematic problem c equal to a plus b. Now close it, and now I'm going to write printf for the showing the value of c, for displaying the value of c in the compiler. Pri and printf double quotation value of c equal to percentage t comma c. Now close it. Now it return tur and return 0. Close it with a semicolon, and now I'm going to run the program here, build and run. And now we can give write any number. I'm going to write 2 to 5, then press enter, then again write 36, then press enter, and you will get the value of c. The value of c is 61, we can see, but it will be very difficult for understanding which is the value of a and value of b. For making things easy, we can write at first, cut this compiler. We can write here we can write here printf printf double quotation the value of a equal value of a equal this, and again just and close it with a semicolon and copy this line. We're going to use this line before the scanf percentage b, d is scanf of the variable b, and here we are going to use the same line, but we are changing the a to b. And now let's run the file again and let's see how the program looks. Here we can see it's showing the value of a 25. I'm giving 25, and the value of b 36, and we will keep the value of c 61. Voila! Now you guys can write a C program by giving inputs in your brain. You become a C programmer. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and comment and subscribe to